troll today. First, we're gonna start finding the middle point. That's right, right about there. We're gonna do a nose. Alright, there's a nose. And now we're gonna draw her chin. Right across there. Perfect. And her neck down. And next we're gonna do her eyes. Big oval eyes. One. And the next big oval eye number two. There we go. And now we can draw in some cheeks along with the mouth. One, two. Big smile. Don't forget to connect them all. And now Poppy's tongue. And now we're gonna draw her teeth. 3 teeth for the troll, Poppy. And now we can draw her pupils. 1, 2. A little highlight in the eye here. There we go. And I like to color in the pupil. Another one. We'll have her looking down. That's right. Highlight in the eye and color in the pupil black. That's nice. And now we can make her some eyelashes. Eyelashes for Poppy the troll. 1, 2, 3. There we go. And now we're gonna attempt to do some flowers here that will be part of her headband. Flower 1 with a little bit in the middle there. That's a nice one. Flower 2 just over her eye. And flower 3 over here on her other eye. And then once they're done that, we can connect them with the headband. There we go. That looks good. And now we can draw some hair falling down from the headband. That's that side. And let's do the other side now. Just coming down. There we go. A little wavy. And we'll give it some texture here that we can color in later. There we go. Both sides of the hair. This is looking good. Now, trolls always have ears. Big ears for Troll Poppy. 1, 2. That's nice. And now her hair. I like to figure out where it's gonna end. So I go right to the top of the paper and I make some nice end hairs for Troll Poppy. And now we can connect them down to the headband at the bottom here. Just like a big oval shape. There we go. Very nice. And maybe we'll give it some texture as well. 1, 2. Something to fill in later with some color. And now we can draw Poppy's body. So we've started with her neck here, and we're gonna want to draw her strap. So let's draw her strap across. That has a big nice button at the bottom. There we go. And now we can round off the neck and draw her body. That's right. Now that back there will stop just short so we can bring in her arm. So 1, 2 down. 1, 2 where the elbow meets. And now a big semicircle for her thumb. And there's her index finger pointing. And her other finger. And then her last finger here. Trolls only have 3 fingers and a thumb. And now her other arm. Here we go. Got her arm on her hip here. That's nice. Her hand poised on her hip. And now for her dress. That's nice. A little wave. Looking good, Poppy. And a little design here. 1, 2, 3. Connected off and with some circles just to make it look nice. And now we can do Poppy's legs. One, two, 1, 2 down. And now her feet. 1, 2, 3, 4 toes for Poppy. There we go. And now we'll draw her foot over here, pointing the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4 toes on that one. Connect the foot. Now we can just put in the little freckles that Poppy has. And now for color. Pink for her skin. That's nice. A little red for her hair. And that will texture in her hair with some pink. Blue for her outfit and flowers. Green for her headband. And finally her black mouth. Very nice.